Alright, what I'm fixing to do now, got everything pocket holed and all put together, all four ends. Now I'm fixing to measure for the X marks on the ends of these end tables. So what I'll do is I have got my one bys in here now too. So as you can see, this is going to be like if you're looking at it from the front, and this is going to be the bottom shelf here. Fixing to put the lines down. I'm going to mark these things the way I want them here. Let's see, go up some so we don't waste so much wood. Alright, get right in here. I'm going to mark these right here. Alright, at the angle, I'm going to take them over to my miter saw and cut these angles that I've marked on the stick on the one bys here. Alright, I'm back. Alright, and I got this section here marked. That's the way that piece is going to lay in here. Got it cut that way. And what I'll do now is this is the tricky part. What I want to do now is, think about either I want to inset them like that. I think I'm going to inset them. So I'll take them now and I will brad nail these parts right here so I can slide this underneath and get me a measurement on the mark there so you see to make the X. So I'm going to go ahead and brad nail those little sections in. Alright, it's actually raining outside and I hear somebody cutting grass, but to each his own. So I think I'm going to inset these things. So what I mean by inset is I'm going to have the X actually come in like that right there, I think. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to shoot a brad nail in, try to hold it in place right here. Just to hold it in place. Then we'll flip it. Gonna do the same down here. Alright, that's the inset, so let's go right about there. Inset these things a little bit. About right there. Alright, that's gonna hold temporarily. I'll put some more brads in it just a little bit, but that's gonna hold enough for me to get another mark right here. Pretty much the same way, even up at the corner up there. Come down here at the bottom, get me a mark right there. I'll draw a line there, I'll draw a line there. I'll draw another line right here because I'll have to cut it again to piece it right there. So give me marks right there. Alright, I'll take this to the miter saw, I'll cut these marks, and I'll put them in place there and nail them down a little bit more. Alright, now I got them cut now. So let's flip this thing over. Get off the shelf like that there. Now let's just try to dry fit them and see. Alright. Long side. Actually, I should have sanded them first, but that's what I'm going to have to do before I carry on. Alright, so that's going to make the X mark right there. I'll do all four ends like this. Same way. I have to brad nail these things in now.